Hello lovelies! Today I have a few new products from one of my favorite up-and-coming brands, Andrea Marie Cosmetics. She started out creating some beautiful eyeshadow palettes and now she is perfectly complementing them with some lip glosses and lip liners. And so I picked up 3 of those lip liners and 4 of the lip glosses. They come in these beautiful, classic, stunning packages and the products inside are even more beautiful. So today we are going to take some swatches and try out a few different lip combinations just to see how well these wear. So come along with me and let's make up the rules. I'm so excited to try out these lip liners and these lip glosses. So we're going to start out, I'm going to take a few swatches and then I'm going to put a few different combinations on my lips and we'll just check out just some of these colors and how well they perform with each other, how well they perform on the lips. So we're first just going to start out swatching the lip liners. These are beautiful packaging. They're a nice, beautiful, light pink color. They say Andrea Marie Cosmetics on them. This first one we're going to look at is the shade Graceful. It is a nice, light brown shade. It is, it's got a little extender here on the bottom so you can twist and it'll pull the product up. I love that kind of lip liner. It definitely makes you feel like you get more product. So I'm really excited that that is the kind of applicator that she provided. So I'm just going to take a little swatch of this on my hand. And we're just going to check out the color. That is really pretty. That is perfect to go with a neutral or nude kind of look, or really just kind of deepen up some of your lighter shades that you have. The next lip liner is called Rooted. This one's going to be just a little bit deeper, another kind of brown shade. I'm going to put this one right next to that first one, Graceful. And you can see it's just a little bit darker, a little bit more of a brown shade. And then the last lip liner that I picked up in this collection is called Humility, and this is going to be the darkest one. It's another brown shade. And I'm going to just put that right next to the other one so you can see I chose a lighter, a medium, and a darker shade. I definitely love using brown shades on my lip liner just to deepen up the outside of the lips and to really create some dimension when you're putting your looks together. So I really love these lip liners. They are beautiful. They go on very well. They are very pigmented. They go on super smoothly. I love, again, the applicator, just being able to twist it up. That's perfect, just to be able to create a lot of versatile look. So now we've got our lip liners. Let's go ahead and swatch the lip glosses as well. The first lip gloss that I picked up is the shade Savior. It is a beautiful clear gloss, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's even got some glitter particles in there. It's got a nice, beautiful shine just looking at it through the package. So I'm going to just take a swatch of this. It's got a nice foam applicator, and put some of this on the back of my hand. And you can see it's just a nice clear gloss that is really pretty, and just add a nice little sheen to your lips. The next one is a little bit of a berry color. It is called Redeemer. It is beautiful packaging. All of the lip glosses have a little bit of glitter in them, so that just makes them so pretty, so shiny. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is so gorgeous. I'm gonna put this one right beside that on the back of my hand. Look how pigmented and beautiful that is. It is so perfect for fall or just a nice, really rich berry look. The next one is called Living Stone. This is more of a nude or neutral look. It is so, so pretty. I'm really excited for this one. So we're gonna go ahead and give this one a little swatch. And that's what the applicator looks like. And we'll go ahead and put it right here. They go on very smoothly, very pigmented. They're really, really pretty. So that one is a nice neutral nude kind of shade, perfect for your everyday kind of look. And I bet that one is going to go great with those brown lip liners as well. And then the last one I have to say is the one that I'm probably the most excited about. It is called Alpha. Look at this lip gloss. It is so stunning. That beautiful shimmery brown. I cannot wait to try this one out. So then let's go ahead and check out the applicator. Oh my goodness. Even on the applicator, it is even prettier. And I bet when we swatch it, it will be so beautiful. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is so stunning. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try these out on the lips. So let me kind of get my ideas together, which lip liners I want to pair with which lip glosses, and then let's just have some fun and try some things on. Alright, I think to start out, I'm going to go in with that medium brown lip liner shade Rooted, and I'm going to combine this with the clear gloss Savior, and we're going to see if the clear gloss will kind of go into the darker brown and see how those combine with each other. So let's go ahead and apply the lip liner. That is really pretty. It goes on super smoothly. Right now it still has a little bit of a sharp tip on the end, so it's definitely going on very well, very just right where I put it. Very, very fine lines, so I really like that, and the application is very easy, very smooth, and the pigment and the color are beautiful on the skin and on the lips. So that is gorgeous. Now we're going to go ahead and add some of our clear gloss. That is so pretty. It adds just a little shimmer and a little shine to your look. That is stunning. That is perfect for just an everyday look. Just nice and light. Just a little bit of color, just a little bit to kind of give you something, but definitely not too much or overpowering. And definitely if you have a nice bold eye look, it's perfect for just a kind of light neutral lip to go with it. So this is absolutely stunning. I love this combination. Let's go ahead and try another one. For the next combination, I definitely want to lean into the fall vibes, especially because of this beautiful berry lip gloss. So I really want to go as dark as I can with the lip liner, so I'm going in with the darkest shade, Humility, this beautiful brown shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just line my lips with this one. It's definitely a lot more pigmented even than the other one we used, that Rooted. It is just a very, very beautiful pigmented color. They apply so nicely on the lips. It's nice and smooth and buttery. It's really, really easy to apply. I'm loving that dark shade. That is so beautiful. It is so perfect for fall. Just that nice crisp look. And we're gonna lighten it up a little and add definitely more of that punch of fall here with Redeemer, this nice, beautiful berry shade. So again, that's that on the applicator. Let's go ahead and apply it to the lips. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. That is an absolutely stunning shade. That is so gorgeous. Let's go ahead and apply a little bit to the top. That blends in so beautifully with that Humility shade on the lip liner. I just love this berry sheen on this lip gloss. It is so beautiful. It captures the light perfectly. This is the perfect fall shade. I cannot wait to try the next lip gloss. For the next combination, I'm going to go back to that medium shade brown lip liner Rooted. And I'm going to pair this with Living Stone, that neutral color. And I think this brown shade is going to be the perfect pairing just to bring out that lighter shade and just to give it a little bit of depth around the edges. So let's go ahead and add some lip liner. Again, that is a beautiful shade. It is so stunning, and I think it's going to go great with this lighter nude shade. Wow, look at just the sheen on that. As soon as you put it on, it's got a beautiful glow. That is gorgeous. That is such a lovely color. It is so beautiful on its own, and once we really blend it in with that brown shade, I think it's going to be really, really pretty. That is gorgeous. That is such a perfect everyday kind of look. So pretty, just a nice nude, neutral shade combined with that beautiful brown lip liner. It is perfect just for going out, running errands, just for any occasion, for dressing up, dressing down, whatever you've got going on. That is really, really pretty. I absolutely love that combination. I cannot wait to try this last one. Like I said, Alpha is one of the lip glosses I was the most excited about. So let's go ahead and try that one on. And to go with this last shade, I'm going to be using the lightest lip liner. It is called Graceful. It is just that nice light brown shade. So we're gonna go ahead and line our lips, and then we're gonna use that darker lip gloss and combine these two shades together. That's a really pretty shade. It's just a nice light brown shade, just to give a little bit of a line to your lips, kind of hold your lipstick or lip gloss in place, but definitely not too much color, so you can really let that lip gloss or lipstick shine. So that is super pretty, goes on really well. And now the shade that I've been looking forward to the most, Alpha. I'm so excited to try this one. Oh wow, it is so shiny and so pigmented. It looks like gold on your lips. This is such a lovely shade. It is absolutely gorgeous. That is so stunning, so beautiful. All of these lip glosses have just been the absolute perfect shimmer and perfect shine for any look and any occasion. So I am so excited about this collection. I'm so excited that not only does Andrea Marie have some beautiful eyeshadow palettes, but she also has some lovely lip liners and lip glosses to go along with them, so you can create the perfect look with everything all together. And I'm so excited about these new products that she's released. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had an absolute blast just swatching all of these lip liners and lip glosses and getting to try them out on the lips. They are so beautiful and just absolutely great quality product from a wonderful brand. I absolutely love her mission and her messaging, and I'm so proud to support her. And I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Which lip combination that we tried today was your favorite? Which lip gloss and which lip liner did you like the best, and which ones are you going to pick up from Andrea Marie Cosmetics? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more makeup swatches and tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hang out with you again. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.